In this video, we're going to go over solving equations using combining like terms. Combining like terms is a skill that you've had or that you've gone over in the past, and we're just going to use it to help us solve some equations. So you look at this equation and you can see that I have more than one x. So what I need to do, I need to look at anything that has an x and combine those together using my rules for combining integers together. So this is a 2x and this is a positive 3x. The signs are the same. I add them together and keep the sign because this sign right here goes with this 5. This is a positive 2 and a positive 3x. I combine them together. I get positive 5x. So I've combined this one and this one together. What I haven't combined together, I bring down, like the negative 5, my equal sign, and negative 25. And now I have a simple two-step equation here that I need to solve. First thing I need to do to solve this equation, opposite of negative 5, positive 5 to both sides. Bring down the 5x. This cancels out. Bring down the equal sign. Negative 25 and positive 5, the signs are different. If the signs are different, I subtract, take the sign of the bigger number. Negative 20. Now I need to do the opposite of multiplying by 5, which is dividing by 5. Divide both sides by 5. Cancel those 5s out. X is equal to negative 20 divided by 5, negative 4. So at the very beginning, if I have more than one x, I'll look and see if I need to combine those together to create one term, 1x. Let's look at example 2. Example 2, again, it looks like I have more than one x, therefore I need to combine those together and make it one term. I've got a positive 5x right here, and this is a negative 3x. So I use my rules for combining integers together. If the signs are different, I subtract, take the sign of the larger number. So 5x minus 3x, 2x. Bring down the positive 2, bring down my equal sign, and bring down the 14. Next thing I need to do is solve this two-step equation that I have. I need to do my adding and subtracting first. That means I need to subtract 2 from both sides. That's the opposite of positive 2. Bring down the 2x. Cancel this out. Bring down the equal sign. 14 minus 2 is 12. The opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. I need to divide both sides by 2. X is equal to, because those 2's cancel out, 12 divided by 2 is 6. Example number 3. So in example number 3, we're going to use some of the other things that we've gone over. For example, the variable always needs to be on the left side. So what I'm going to do at the very beginning is switch this entire equation around. I'm going to take everything that's over here and put it on this side just the way it's written. And take this and move it to the other side of the equal sign. So 3 minus 4x minus 1 plus 6x is now equal to 8. I have the variables on the side that I need them on. Now I need to start combining like terms. This is a negative 4x because that negative sign goes with that 4. It needs to be combined with anything else that has an x. Positive 6x. I'm going to use my rules for combining integers. The signs are different. I subtract, take the sign of the larger number. That's going to give me positive 2x when I combine these two together. So I've combined that one and that one. I have other like terms I can combine together. That would be that 3 right there goes with that negative 1. I need to combine those two together. Again, I'm going to use my rules for combining integers. Signs are different. I subtract, take the sign of the larger number, and I get positive 2 when I combine those two together. Is equal to 8. Now I have a two-step equation I need to solve. First step in solving this two-step equation is to undo the adding and subtracting. Subtract 2 from both sides. Bring down my 2x. Cancel this out, is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6. The opposite of multiplying by 2, I need to divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 3. So, if the variable is not on the side it's supposed to be on, switch it around. Then start combining like terms together. Example number 4. Example number 4, again, the variables are not on the side that they're supposed to be on. That means I'm going to take everything on this side of the equal sign, rewrite it just the way it is over here on this side, take this 11 and move it to the other side. So let's see what that looks like when I do that. 4 minus 3x minus 7 minus 2x is now equal to 11. I need to start combining like terms. I'm going to combine these x's together. A negative 3x and a negative 2x. The signs are the same. I add them together, keep the sign. So when I do that, I get negative 5x when I combine my x's together. I also need to combine these numbers together, 4 and negative 7. Use my rules, the signs are different. I subtract, take the sign of the larger number. So when I combine these two together, I get a negative 3 is equal to 11. Now I need to solve this like a normal two-step equation, undoing my adding and subtracting first. Opposite of negative 3, positive 3. Negative 5x, that cancels out, is equal to 11 plus 3 is 14. The opposite of multiplying by negative 5 is dividing by negative 5. I need to divide both sides by negative 5. These cancel out. X is equal to. You're not always going to get a whole number. We went over problems like this. And remember, the negative sign needs to go on the top. Negative 14 fifths.